Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because today we are diving headfirst into one of the wildest, rawest, and most legendary machines ever unleashed by Porsche Motorsport. This isn't just a car, this is fire, fury, and turbocharged madness all rolled into one. This is the 1978 Porsche 935 Werks Car, chassis number 93089000015. And trust me, you've never seen history this alive, this visceral, and this downright insane. Now let's set the stage. The late 1970s were the golden age of Group 5 racing, an era when rules were bent, aerodynamics went extreme, and Porsche stood tall as the undisputed king of endurance racing. And at the heart of it all, the mighty 935. It wasn't just fast, it was dominance on wheels. And this very car, chassis 015, wasn't some customer special. Oh no, this was a factory works car. Built in Weissach, raced by the legends, and feared by everything else on the grid. Imagine the roster of races this beast has stormed into. 4 times at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, 1979, 1980, 1981, and 1982. Daytona 24 Hours, Sebring 12 Hours, the brutal DRM Championship. This was a machine born for punishment, a car that stared down the longest, hardest, most dangerous endurance battles and came back for more. And let's talk about the drivers. We're not just talking about anyone here. We're talking about some of the greatest names in motorsport history. Jacky Ickx, Derek Bell, John Fitzpatrick, Klaus Ludwig, Manfred Schurte. These weren't just drivers, they were warriors, and this car was their weapon. Every lap, every straight, every turbo scream was history being written. Now here's where it gets even crazier. This car has documentation thicker than a phone book. Period race history? Check. Detailed chain of ownership? Check. Porsche Motorsport paperwork, original invoices, FIA papers, it's all here. This isn't just a car, it's a living museum piece with receipts for every chapter of its life. But make no mistake, this isn't some fragile artifact locked away behind glass. In 2014, this 935 was brought back to full factory glory by Porsche specialist Mark de Siebenthal. Restored, rebuilt, and perfected with no expense spared. And since then, it's been unleashed on the track once again, racing at Le Mans Classic, tearing up historic grids, proving that even after decades, the 935 is still a monster. And here's the kicker. Genuine Werks 935s with real period history almost never hit the open market. They're unicorns, blue chip investments, golden tickets to the biggest events in the world. Want to race at Le Mans Classic, Rennsport Reunion, Goodwood Festival of Speed, Monterey Motorsport Reunion? With this car, the doors swing wide open. So let's call it what it is. Chassis 015 isn't just a Porsche, it isn't just a race car, it's an artifact of raw racing power, a machine that carried legends, conquered endurance races, and now stands as one of the finest examples of what Porsche Motorsport was capable of at the absolute peak of their creativity and dominance. If you ever wondered what it looks like when history, engineering, and sheer adrenaline collide, you're looking at it. The 1978 Porsche 935 Werks Car, a thunderous reminder that legends never die, they just get faster with age.